Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, April 11th, 2025, we're analyzing Ethereum, ticker symbol ETHUSD. Let's start with a look at recent news and then correlate it with the chart data. Google searches indicate the SEC approved options trading on spot Ethereum ETFs, which is generally bullish. However, some analysts believe Ethereum is still overvalued and whale activity shows some large ETH sales. Concerns also exist about Ethereum potentially entering a multi-year consolidation phase due to diminished dominance in DeFi and developer activity migrating to other chains. Now, let's move to the one-day chart. Looking at the broader picture on the one-day chart, we can see significant volatility in ETHUSD over the past year. Notice the large swings in price, particularly from late 2024 into early 2025. The all-time high looks to be close to the 4,100 level in March 2024, and a significant crash in August 2024 to about 1,900. Focusing on the more recent price action, from the beginning of 2025, we can see a general downtrend establishing itself. We saw a high in early January at roughly 3,700, followed by another high in February at the same level. But since then, it's been mostly downhill. There's some more recent positive price action, going from around 1,400 in early April to 3,700 just days later. It's uncertain if this new bullish price action will hold. Let's look at the hourly chart to examine this most recent price action in more detail. Here on the 1-hour chart, we see a more granular view of the recent volatility. Notice how ETH struggled to maintain upward momentum and is establishing support near the 1,500 to 1,600 level. Now, let's drill down to the 15-minute chart to get an even closer look at today's activity. We can see the most recent candles show sideways movement, bouncing between 1,500 and 1,700, which could suggest indecision in the market. In summary, ETHUSD is at a critical juncture. The news around SEC approval could provide some short-term bullish momentum, but several bearish forces are in effect. Price levels to watch closely are the immediate resistance around 1,700 and support in the 1,400 to 1,600 range. A break below 1,400 could signal a further downtrend, while a sustained move above 1,700 could signal the bull run continues. For the long term, pay attention to layer 2 adoption rate and developer activity if you want to make any long-term decisions. Be sure to adjust stop losses according to your risk tolerance.